This 2014 Winnebago Minnie Winnie 31K is a Class C RV. It is located in Ardmore, Tennessee, 38449 and is offered for sale by Bankston Motorhomes of Ardmore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Winnebago is 32 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 8, slide-out, and 44 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab, rear bedroom, U-shaped dinette. This 2014 Winnebago Minnie Winnie 31K is built on a Ford E450 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.